Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of Avalon step by step. First, download the game from your preferred app store and complete the initial tutorial. This guided introduction teaches you essential controls and early game objectives. Next, select your starting kingdom carefully, as this impacts your initial neighbors and potential allies. Joining an active alliance early on is crucial for protection and resource sharing. Once you've established your base, focus on upgrading your stronghold to unlock new buildings and features. Prioritize constructing and upgrading resource buildings such as farms, sawmills, and iron mines to ensure a steady supply. Simultaneously, train a diverse army in your barracks, including infantry, archers, and cavalry, to defend your city and attack others. A balanced army is key to victory. Alliances are vital in King of Avalon. Actively participate in alliance events and help your teammates to earn significant rewards and strengthen your collective power. Before any attack, always scout your target city to assess their defenses and troop strength. Coordinate your attacks with alliance members to launch powerful rallies, maximizing your chances of success and minimizing losses. Teamwork makes the dream work. To truly excel, invest in researching technologies within your academy to gain powerful economic and military boosts. Continuously develop your heroes' skills and equip them with the best gear to enhance their combat effectiveness. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Keep exploring the map, defeating monsters, and participating in Kingdom versus Kingdom events to dominate Avalon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.